how to wire or dimmer switch for the house. First, turn off the power from the panel, and this particular dimmer switch have a red, black, and white red striped wire. And I want to get one of these to test if your wire is still live, which is mine not. So now you want to wire your green, just brown into the box here, which I already did. This wire, white and black, this you don't use that, so just cap it. This is usually going to another switch. In my case, I have a black, and white wire. There it is. So what I do is I wire black wire to a black wire from the dimmer, and my red into my white. This symbol is that, and I just want to cap it up. So I'm going to cap it up and put some electrical tape around the bottom for all three. So I'm going to tape it all up. I'm going to tuck it back in neatly. And position your switch up, go up. There's no one upside down. And put it back and use the screw to top and bottom and put on the cover plate. So I turn on my electric from the panel, and here's my switch. Thank you for watching.